Hello everybody, here's my latest mosaic. Now I know you've seen this before, but what happened was it sold before I was ready to sell it. And then I got all upset and started missing it, so I made it again. And on a weekly basis, people come into my studio and say, oh, when I win the lottery, I'm going to buy a mosaic. And I feel like saying, well, when I win the lottery, I'm not going to sell it to you because I don't really want to sell my work, but of course I have to in order to keep going. And don't get me wrong, I am very grateful to the people who buy my work and support me and keep me going, because without them I'd just have to stop. I couldn't afford to do it. Anyway, here we are. He's here again. I've changed a few things around. The marine is different, but essentially it's the same design and I love it. I think it's one of my best, which is why I've remade it. I've even had a card made of it, which I think is also really nice. And as usual, there's a verse to accompany the work, which goes like this. Peacock's pride. During mating season, I get really bold. My glorious display is a joy to behold. My tail feather eyes are a gorgeous turquoise blue. But enough about me. What about you?